A tragic and shocking attack that ended BSP's Tamil Nadu unit chief K. Armstrong's life. A group of bike-borne men pretending to be Zomato delivery agents attacked Armstrong with knives, leaving him fatally injured just outside his residence in Chennai on Friday.
So based on the initial investigation, which we came to know through the CCTV cameras and generally how we investigate cases, we were able to nab 8 accused persons whom we suspect they are strongly involved in commission of this offence. So the team which had arrested them is inquiring them.
India Today has accessed CCTV footage showing attackers fleeing the scene after the gruesome act. The images reveal a total of 6 attackers, 4 of whom were dressed as Zomato delivery boys. The police now have arrested 8 accused in the case. The incident has now sparked widespread outrage and protests in Chennai. BSP workers have taken to the streets, clashing with the police, alleging that the real culprits are still at large.
The postmortem of Armstrong, the BSP state chief, has been completed, is what we're being told, and arrangements are being made here at the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital to take his body from the hospital. In all likelihood, it could be taken to the party office, or other alternative arrangements are also being looked at by the Chennai police, is what we're being told. But as far as the demands from the BSP is concerned, they demand that a CBI probe be ordered into the murder because they believe it is a planned political murder, a deliberate murder that was hatched. There was a conspiracy, and the truth can be brought out only by the CBI, is what they say.
Political leaders across the spectrum have condemned the murder. BJP and the AIADMK have extended their support to Armstrong's family, blaming Chief Minister M.K. Stalin for the law and order failure.
I strongly condemn this incident. As a national party state president, he is unable to survive because of the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu. The DMK government is totally failure to maintain the law and order situation.
Once again, a brutal murder in Chennai city. The old Madras is becoming city of murders. This is what is happening in Chennai, the entire Tamil Nadu. Mr. Stalin, is this Dravida model? This is what you mean by Dravida model? Where is the police? Where is the administration? It's complete failure of the administration in Tamil Nadu.
Chief Minister Stalin has assured that strict action will be taken against those involved, has urged the public to trust investigative agencies.